tune into Deeproots. Up top.
Yeah, and this story I want to speak up. Trinidad and Tobago, ladies and gentlemen. Now, it seems like the daughter of a couple had to pay referee in a family dispute. And I'm not trying to be cute, I'm just telling you the truth. Because a Trinidad man seemed like him never want him hand. Because he found himself beating up his woman. Matter of fact, him deal with a wicked. Me mean, a 58-year-old woman, you know. And him pick up one chair and deal with her, meaning say him deal with her rough, man. Him say him beat her till she unconscious. So, them give you some disclaimer about them thing a normal thing over in all Trinidad and Jamaica and them place there. You are going to see them say the warning, because the article have some information that might be sensitive. Because the 58-year-old woman has been beaten unconsciously reported by her husband during an argument in, Trinidad and Tobago. Them said during this report, squabble, the couple's daughter intervened and allegedly chopped off him blouse and skirt left hand. You heard what I said? Yeah. He said, according to reports around 3 p.m. Friday, couple got into an argument during the incident. The man allegedly beat his wife with a chair, metal that is, no wood, causing her to become unconscious. His 20-year-old daughter intervened and allegedly, come see all one you somebody come in my comments and come say me for use allegedly, you know. So I guess them write it in allegedly. Chop him several times with a cutlass and severed his left hand. Reports are that the daughter was detained. Her parents has been taken to the hospital about treatment. May not know about that one, yeah. Because sometimes a lie them a tell. But hey, if me catch a boy, I deal with my mother like a toy. I know just him and I gone, you know. Me I tell you straight up. Cause there's many places better than embarrassment. But there's many places worse. Many places better than embarrassment. But me I tell you straight up, if me catch a boy a deal it my mom, I might amputate more than his hand. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear me reporting live here, 20-year-old woman intervened in an argument where it's been reported Trinidad and Tobago, Barrackpore, that this 20-year-old lady was a witness of an argument or an altercation between mom and father, husband and wife. It reported that the husband beat down the wife with a metal chair. And the daughter said, how dare. She intervened. And with a cutlass, she played surgery. Reporting live here at Deeproots Tv, it's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, me I make some of my European friends them tell you what to do.
Hey, Deeproots, man, how you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach. We got dancing, we got partying, we got beautiful women. We doing good things over here. Deeproots, man, keep it real.
Yo, big up Deeproots TV. Cornwall and Lacovia, don't talk.
Big up Deeproots TV, straight from out of Cornwall, St. Elizabeth, you see it? Yeah, Chris.
Yeah, most of my families and friends